Good day everyone. Technology for Teaching and Learning 1. A look at the importance of technology in teaching and learning. The agenda or the key topics discussed in this presentation is the meaning and importance of ICT, different terms connected to the ICT, the use and the benefits of each terms, and the effect of technology in our society. This different agenda will be tackled to you and explained every bit of it. So, stay tuned. First, let's discuss the ICT and what is it. Information and Communications Technology, or ICT, is defined as a diverse set of technological tools and resources used to transmit, store, create, share, or exchange information. I have here a video for more information about ICT.
If it's digital, it's part of ICT. ICT, short for Information and Communications Technology, or technologies, is a huge umbrella term. Though there's no universal definition, ICT generally refers to all devices, networking components, applications, and systems that facilitate interaction with the digital world. Sometimes, ICT is used interchangeably with IT, or information technology. But ICT is more comprehensive, including more components related to computers and digital technologies. Components include data, internet access, cloud computing, software, hardware, transactions, and communications technology. But more importantly, ICT encompasses combinations and applications of those components. ICT has drastically changed how people work, communicate, learn, and live, and continues to revolutionize all parts of the human experience, from computers to robots.
Based on the video that you watched, she discussed the deep meaning of ICT. But the simplest way or meaning of ICT, it is to gather informations or to create information or to communicate easiest way by using technology. So let's proceed to the importance of ICT. The first one is ICT permeates all aspects of life, providing newer, better, and quicker ways for people to interact, network, seek help, gain access to information, and learn. It says here that the importance of ICT in our lives, it is make our life easier, especially to communicate and to gather informations. The next one is ICT in education improves engagement and knowledge retention. When ICT is integrated into lessons, students become more engaged into their work. This is because technology provides different opportunities to make it more fun and enjoyable in terms of teaching the same things in different ways. So, let's proceed to the 10 different terms of ICT. The first one is the desktop computer, also known as a personal computers designed to fit onto a desktop. It houses the physical hardware that makes a computer run and connects to input devices such as the monitor, keyboard, and mouse users interact with. Here are the examples of a desktop computer. As we can see, these computers, we can see it in our home, in a computer shops, or in our school or school library. The second one is the hardware. Computer equipment such as monitor, mouse, keyboard, and CPU. Hardware refers to the computer's tangible components or delivery system that store and run the written instructions provided by the software. For example, is the desktop computer. All the parts of the desktop computer is we called a hardware. I have here a video presentations that will give you more information about hardware.
Hardware is an umbrella term, with countless bits and pieces falling into the category. If you can touch it, it's a piece of hardware. In computer technology, of course. Computer hardware generally refers to the physical components of a computer, unlike software, which is intangible sets of instructions. Software tells hardware what to do, and hardware makes it happen. If you were a computer, your thoughts would be software, and your brain would be the hardware, the middleman between the instruction and an action. Usually, computer hardware is categorized as either internal components, like a motherboard, CPU, RAM, and GPU, or as an external component, like a mouse, keyboard, camera, or memory card. And while hardware is defined as a physical, tangible resource, it can be virtualized, meaning a hypervisor creates virtual versions of internal hardware to share resources. This is usually associated with infrastructure as a service.
The third one is the internet. a global network of computers that connects them to one another. The Internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the Internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with the Internet connection. The next one is the websites, a set of pages on the World Wide Web published by a single person or organizations about a particular subject or closely related topics. Our websites help creates brand awareness and showcasing your brand to prospective customers. It helps to establish your image by letting the audience know who you are and what you present. A website provides reliable information to the consumers, which helps in setting your business apart from the competitors. The next one is the animations, a series of slightly different pictures, photos, or illustrations that are viewed rapidly in a succession to create the illusions of movement similar to that video or a film. Animation is said to be a method by which still figures are manipulated to appear as a moving images. In traditional animations, images are drawn or painted by hand on a transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on a film. And I have here a video that represents an animation or an example of animations.
Si Chris ang una sa ilan sa mga una mong pinagsabihang buntis ka.
Oh,
Pero-
si ma'am ang first, tapos siya ang second.
Oh.
Pero sabihin ko talaga sa kanya, sabi ko, Miss Chris, buntis po ako, Miss Chris, I'm very happy. Siya, oh, I'm very sad, but very honored. Sabi niya, sabi ko,
Bakit to very sad?
very sad, kasi parang nabuntis ako ba? Kasi sabi niya sa amin, nung sa Singapore pa lang kami,
The sixth term is the gamification. It is turning an experience into a game-like process by using elements of game designs. Gamification is adding more game mechanics into a non-game environments like a website, online community, learning management system, or business, internet to increase participation. The goal of gamification is to engage with consumers, employees, and partners to inspire, collaborate, share, and interact. The next one is the podcast, a popular form of audio broadcasting on the internet. Podcast is a broadcast that is placed on the internet for anyone who wants to listen to it or watch it. Some radio stations already are posting their talk shows on the website to reach podcast audiences. How does it work? Podcasting is the preparation and distribution of audio files using RSS feeds to the computers and subscribes users. These files may be then uploaded to the streaming services which users can listen to on their smartphones or digital music, multimedia players, or like an iPad. The eighth term is the mobile learning, the use of mobile devices and or mobile networks to deliver teaching and learning. Mobile learning is also referred to as an M-learning. It's a way of accessing learning content through mobile devices. This method empowers learning at the point of need, enabling users to access content whenever and wherever suits them. It says that the purpose of mobile learning is to seek to utilize the ubiquity and unique capabilities of mobile devices to make course materials available to students wherever they are, and to create new kinds of learning experiences that help students engage with course content and the world. The next one is the digital learning, digital education, the use of electronic tools that create, store, and process information to deliver and enhance teaching and learning. With digital learning and digital learning tools, learning becomes easier and more flexible. Students can now learn on their own pace and even use different varieties of software programs that they are more familiar with for their learning to be more convenient and for them to get the best out of their education. The 10th term or the last term of ICT is the collaborative learning. Its approach involves pupils working together on activities or learning tasks in a group small enough to ensure that everyone participates. Pupils in the group may work on the separate tasks, contributing to a common overall outcome or work together on a shared task. Learning collaboratively helps students to plan activities that gives them the opportunity to work together and collaborate to learn and grow from each other. Collaborative learning has been shown to not only develop higher level thinking skills, but boost their confidence and self-esteem as well. And now, let's talk about the effect of technology in our society. It affects the life of people and changes the way of their learning, thinking, and communication. It plays a major role in society, and now it is very tough to imagine the life without technology. Both technology and society are correlated, codependent, co-influenced with each other. There are positive and negative effects of technology. Some of them are increasing satisfactions, better communication channels, eliminating geographical boundaries, and some of them are negatives like obesity, health issues, and sleep problems. And that's all the information about ICT, Information and Communication Technologies. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed while learning. Bye-bye!